goodness, I don't know what I was thinking, but I went to Dollar Store and got a bug up my ass, I think. They had all their summer growing stuff out, and so I know it's probably not even going to sprout in this room, but I don't know, maybe I just wanted to see something grow, see something besides snow, you know? Hi girls, hello world. So it's Saturday and I'm going stir crazy after I did laundry, so I'm just kind of taking a drive and kind of wanted to tell you a little bit about what I'm doing for this boredom thing. We're allowed to listen to, with one earbud, anything we want while we're working. So, you know, I didn't even think about it, but there are podcasts upon podcasts about everything you can imagine. So if you have any free time, I would highly recommend that you just explore that. There's Spotify and there's all kinds of other ones, but Spotify is free, you know. So I've been listening to all kinds of things. I'm not an expert in any of them, absolutely not. But it's interesting that you can just learn by listening, and it's not distracting when you're doing something spontaneous. I am all day. So, you know, for instance, I was listening to several podcasts about permaculture, and also Buddhism, Zen. I mean, I know, weird, right? But like I say, I'm not an expert at any of it, but it's just, boy, guys, you gotta be careful coming back from Walmart late at night. There's deer crossing the street everywhere. Check this out.